Hey guys, what's up? Sam here. Welcome back to my channel where I help creators and entrepreneurs grow their businesses through social media. Today I'm going to show you how you can create flowing carousel posts like this in our favorite tool, Canva. But first, make sure to subscribe and tap that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload a new video. If you follow me on Instagram, and if you don't, you should, you know that 99.9% of my posts are carousels. Those are the types of posts where you can post up to 10 photos or graphics at once. So there are so many reasons to post carousels as opposed to a regular post, but the most important ones are that you give your audience 10 times more value since it's like 10 posts in once. And also, your followers spend more time on carousel posts than a regular one, which is a great signal to the algorithm. And I also read somewhere that carousels are the most engaging type of post, according to some study, but I don't remember which one. So these are the things that let Instagram know that your post is valuable, which makes the algorithm show it to more people. Alright, so there are different ways you can design a carousel, but today I'm going to show you how you can create a flowing carousel that has elements between slides and transitions nicely from the beginning to the end. They are so satisfying to slide through and will definitely give you some bonus points with your audience. You can create these kinds of carousels with many different tools, but my favorite one is Canva. Alright, so let me show you.
So first let's go to canva.com and start a new design. Since we want 10 slides in one post, we're going to divide them in half. So we'll create a canvas for first 5 slides and then duplicate it. So let's type in 1080 times 5, which is 5400 pixels for width and 1080 for height. Alright, so now we have our canvas for first 5 slides, and the next thing we have to do is copy it. Next, we're going to set up the ruler so we'll know where one slide ends and the other one starts. So let's go to File, click on Ruler, Borders and Margins. Alright, so then you just click on the ruler thing and drag the first line to 1080 pixels. It's really hard to hit the exact number, so if it's a few pixels left or right, don't worry. Alright, so the next one will go to 2160 pixels. The third one will go to 3240 pixels. And the last one will go to 4320 pixels. It seems like a lot of steps right now, but don't worry, you only have to set this once. Alright, so now we have our canvas ready and we can start designing. Alright, so let's add the background first. You can find your background here in the background section, or you can find it in the photos, or you can upload your own. Alright, so I usually add the cover first. Then I start adding the text and the photos at the end. Make sure that each slide looks good on its own and that the text is aligned. You can use the last slide as a call to action, where you can ask your followers to like, save, comment or share your post, or ask them a question. And now let's go to photos. If you want that nice flowing effect, make sure you add some elements between the slides. A cool way to add that flowing effect is by adding some arrows. Another thing you can do that will look nice is add an ombre background. You can get that by going to Elements and searching for Gradient. Alright, so choose one of the options here, drag it to your carousel, make it bigger and change the colors. Alright, so when you're done with your post, download both rows as a PNG. Then go to pinetools.com, type in split image, and upload the first row. Click on horizontal, PNG, 5 pieces, then download. Then do the same thing with the other one and send all 10 pieces to your phone. So now we have all 10 slides on our phone. We can post it by first clicking on the cover image and then tap this little square symbol and add the other ones like this. Alright, then here it is.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I really hope you like this video. Let me know if you're going to try this and don't forget to subscribe for more cool videos like this. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!